morning. Dave in Kentucky. Sorry I didn't get all dressed up for the shave today. We're going to do a shave. I know my hair's getting a little long. Time for a haircut. I know there's a stain on the shirt. It's from 2008. Sorry about that. It's what we call our glad rags. We're comfortable around the house in them. So, still wear it. Anyway, the shave today. I was going to groundhog my shave from yesterday. Got some new products in, and what I've been waiting for especially is my Dragonsbeard version 3. So this is in Frank's Ethos company, Ethos Grooming Essentials. Frank's own soap base rather than I had the version 1. I sampled the version 2, but I didn't get any of it because I had the version 1. Where am I going with this? Version 1 was a collaboration with Oleo, and so now I'm happy to have the version 3 in the glass jar of Frank's. Oh, this is my favorite scent ever. Anyway, so we're going to be using that, the splash, and the EDP. So I wanted to use it a second day in a row, which is something I don't normally do. Always like variety and switch things up. Yesterday I used the Dragonsbeard brush, which threw me off of December using Boar brushes, but have the set, and lighting doesn't do the colors justice in here. But anyhow, we're going to switch that up. Instead of using the same brush, we're going to use a new old stock Made-Rite brush. No, didn't cost me $2. Anyway, there you have it. It's soaking, and it is a Boar, so we're back on the Boar train. Set that down below. So there you have it. It's a 100, and this is first use on it. It's a new old stock. Razor today. It's Lather Catcher Sunday for Toast 3. That's TOST3.com. Come see us over there for all strictly single edge razors. I'm going to use my Star safety razor. It's a Star bar actually. Anyway, I think I've used this once, but I do not believe I've used it on camera for a video before. So it basically Star safety razor there, Brooklyn, New York, made in USA. There's the clip. It's got the bar on it. Whoa! And just a Star. I was trying to remember what it had behind it. So let's go ahead and put that back in place. The one thing with this, these Stars, these older ones, the blade stops are not always the most secure for the blade because they're very shallow. Sorry, distracted here. Okay, want to make sure the blade stops on either side. They're very shallow, so it pops up if you're not careful when you're putting it on. But anyway, got it all situated. Let's go ahead and start loading up. Take the water out of that. And I'm going to get a pretty good load on this. I may have to go back to the tub because it is a very small diameter and there we're getting a hair already, but it's allowed to shed a little bit. New old stock, first time being used. What I was starting to say is it's a small diameter knot, and so I may have to go back for 3 passes. I may have to go back to it again. We will see. Get that hair rinsed off my finger. So how's everybody doing today? You using a lather catcher for the first Sunday of the month with us? Great. If not, hey, there's always next month, right? Has a darker color to this. I think vanilla is one of the scents used. that safe there, and we'll start lathering. I can see already that there are hairs already coming off, so we're prepared for that. So version 3 of the Dragonsbeard is in the F base of Frank's. It's such a creamy and comfortable soap. The F base is a harder one than some of his previous soaps were done in. So it's a firmer one that you can load off of the puck or tub. Rather than having to scoop and use a bowl. And I used it yesterday and it was just amazing. So, like Frank's stuff usually is. But it's even better now for me with the harder soap. Not hard, it's not triple milled, but harder. Alright, so Star Lather Catcher with a gem stainless steel blade. Even with my glasses off, I see there's a hair there. Several hairs. Oh well. Like I said, we expect that with a brand new old stock brush. And it felt a little stiff and prickly at first. It's a Boar for December, but as it gets broke in, it will smooth out and be nice. We look forward to that. Alright, the first pass is going to get the soap really thick still. It will be thinner on subsequent passes, I'm sure. But just as slick. And it just feels so soft on the skin. Great post-shave feel too. Now, if I was a professional YouTuber, I'd have all these scent notes written down for you and tell you. Oh, you're waiting for that. Sorry, I'm not professional. More hairs. I wasn't getting any when I kind of tugged on. I thought it might surprise me, but that's okay. I think it will settle down and be fine, but oops, caught myself there, an old spot I had where my didn't skin stretch. HD was talking to me about that. I should do that more. Had my skin rippled there. Old guy's chin. Just hit that with a little bit of this because I can tell it's gonna bleed. As soon as I caught it, I knew. I felt my skin was rippled there a little bit. Oh well. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. So I don't think we'll have to go back to the tub. And if you're looking at the quality of the lather that I have to judge the soap, don't. Because you can get this to whatever consistency you want. Especially if you're not using the 18 millimeter new old stock vintage Boar brush for the first time. So it has nothing to do with the quality of the soap. If you don't like what you see, trust me, this is good stuff and you'll get it exactly where you want it. The sheen on it that I can see right now is incredible. All right, against the grain. So I was needing a printer. Let's do a little bit of a rant. Not really a rant, but it is what it is. Needed a printer. I didn't feel like the hassles at Walmart. So they had free shipping for it. I thought I'd just order it online, let them bring it to the house. I'm in Williamsburg, Kentucky. And yes, they had them in stock at the store. This is companies and wasting their money. I know, I could have gotten it. I didn't feel like going through the crowds if I didn't have to. They offered free shipping. So I ordered it with free shipping. It was going to come by FedEx. Said it would be here Monday, this past Monday. A week from tomorrow. It left Kodak, Tennessee, which is Knoxville's about an hour south of me, and Kodak's just east of Knoxville. So why they had to send it from all the way down there, I have no idea. But hey, it's their money to burn. So it went from Kodak to Knoxville. From Knoxville it went to Nashville, way west. I'm north, directly north of Knoxville. 3 hours that way. And I wasn't frustrated. I was like, you know what? COVID, whatever, people are understaffed. Somebody new, somebody rushing, they stuck it on the wrong truck. Okay, happens. No big deal. Of course, they changed it to arriving Tuesday. sorry, trying to get through the shave and then we'll get the story going here. Okay, so they changed it to arriving Tuesday, and it goes back to Knoxville. Like, okay. Then it goes back to Nashville again. Second time, right? Then it goes back to Knoxville. Meanwhile, they keep extending another day for the shipping. It's going to be Wednesday now. It's going to be Thursday. Oh, nice shave. Star lather catcher. So anyway, it says it left Knoxville on the 2nd at 11 in the morning. So I think that evening, okay, it'll be there. Usually from Knoxville it gets up to London, then it delivers from them. Sometimes all that same day. Goes dead, nothing on the 2nd, on Thursday. I wait till Friday afternoon. I'm like, what's going on? So I call them, FedEx, because their virtual assistant is virtually useless. Skin Food Splash. So call them and they open a case. They'll be in touch with you today. Someone will contact you. No. But it starts moving again. And they say it's going to come Friday. No, Saturday. Moved it to Saturday. Before the end of the day. So, yay. A couple spots there. They will settle down and be gone. What was I going to say? Okay, yeah. So we're waiting, and it's like 7 at night, and I told my wife, I said, yeah, that ain't coming. It ain't gonna come. Oh, man, love that stuff. Lo and behold, 7:35, I think it is. Man, I really took off that pimple. 7:35, the dog goes ballistic, so we know someone's stepping up onto the porch. And it's them. I'd have a long driveway. I put all the lights on so that they could find their way easily. And I told them, I said, yeah, I'd given up on you. So, oh, no, I'm going to be here. And I told them the story. He said, I've heard more than one story about that happening. So it must have been something going on with their computers. I don't know. Where are we at here? 18 and a half minutes. So it came. It arrived. What a waste of money by Walmart and FedEx both. But, hey, their money is what it is. Notice we got a new bike up here. Picture on the Blue Ridge Parkway. I've been there. Gorgeous spot. Anyway, got my new calendar ordered, so we're all set for 2022. Hopefully the brush will quit shedding. Can't think of anything else to say. Nice shave. Great lather catcher shave. Come join us on, the forums I'm on. There's like 4 different ones I visit, leave my shave of the day and all. I'm mostly on DFS and on Toast 3, which is where the focus is for the lather catcher Sunday, first Sunday of the month. Come join us over there. That's tost3.com. And I'm Dave in Kentucky. We'll see you on the pages.